Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the camera and monitor connectors so you match signal types. Next, locate the reverse lamp positive and a solid chassis ground. Use a multimeter to verify 12V when reverse is selected, because accurate power prevents backfeed. Once done, disconnect the battery to avoid shorts while tapping. Make sure to have wire taps, heat shrink, and a fuse tap ready so you can make secure, serviceable connections without guessing later. You route the video cable from the trunk to the head unit, tucking it under trim and avoiding exhaust heat or suspension linkages so signal integrity stays stable. When passing through metal bulkheads, use a rubber grommet to prevent chafing. Secure the cable every 12 to 18 inches with zip ties to stop vibration wear. Once the cable reaches the dash, connect RCA to the monitor's video in and splice the camera's reverse trigger to the head unit's reverse signal, so the screen switches automatically. You finish by reconnecting the battery and testing in reverse to confirm image, guidelines, and any audio are functioning. This verifies both power and signal path. Then adjust the camera angle for correct horizon and tighten mounts, sealing cable entries with silicone to prevent moisture. If you get no image, check for 12V at the camera, verify RCA continuity, and ensure the reverse trigger sees 12V only in reverse.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.